Our vision for the College of Liberal Arts is rooted in connection between the past and the possibilities ahead. In this restored building, we see that vision made tangible. History meeting innovation and tradition meeting energy.
So to the students who will be walked through the university halls for the first time on their campus tours, I hope they feel the same spark I did. Purdue is where you may begin in one field, discover another, and along the way, uncover who you truly are meant to be.
Good design is about creating a dialogue between the past and the present. And to each and every one of you, we are here this morning to witness the creation of that dialogue.
For however long forever is, what we celebrate today will be the foundation for a future that will always be one brick higher.